Stand up.
On September 21st, 2023, airport officers responded to a service call regarding a fight at a restaurant. Upon further investigation, it was revealed that the suspect had vandalized multiple businesses, spat on an individual.
Of course, she was like in the way, but you can turn this up. She's screaming and yelling at her right here.
She did take the face of her cell phone, and that's what hit her.
That's what hit her, but you were in the way. Look at that. So right here is when she walks up to her and hits her. That's where she hit her.
Okay. Is that video something you're able to possibly send to us?
Of course. This is her. And then this is where she's got glasses on. And then you can see where she spits on this lady right here in the pink. And you can't tell right through white.
Can you pull that video up?
Yeah.
And let me see if I can grab it. That's the beginning.
Here.
That's like your own mama getting hit, you know. Or she would have hit anybody here.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so that's Andrew
Andrew
Brennan, BRENNAN at
Got you.
FlyNashville.com.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Want to go look?
Yep.
We're going to go look.
Correct.
What direction? I just need to see a picture of what she looks like. Thank you. Ma'am, stand up, put your hands behind your back. Stand up.
Do not resist.
Roll over.
Do not resist, okay? Don't make this any worse than you've already made it. Okay? Come here. Do not resist. Put your
Ma'am,
hands behind your back.
stop
Do not
resisting.
resist. Okay?
You're making this more difficult on yourself. Roll over onto your stomach.
Do it now. Put your hand behind your back. Do it now. Okay? Do not resist. Do not resist. Being placed under a chair. Let's get you set up in the chair. Come on, stand up. Okay? Okay. All right.
You should have be in the chair. Let me in the fucking chair, bitch.
Yeah, I understand that. I understand that. Okay? And you can relax.
Who's not relaxing?
Okay? There's no need for... Stand up and walk. Okay. Get a chair. Get a chair. You don't need to do that. We're going to put you in a chair then.
Come on.
No, you don't want to walk. You ride in the chair.
No, you don't want to walk. You're going in the chair.
I'll hit the ride.
You going to walk now?
No, I want to ride. Y'all gonna show for me.
Who's this?
Hanging hell on there right now.
That's some pedo. God,
Spitting. Second count, disorderly.
why am I going this way?
Hey, we can take the elevator.
Why can't we go through our water?
We need to take the elevator. All right.
Can I have a guy do it? I don't want her touching me.
Do not resist.
How am I supposed to resist?
Stand up.
Anybody down,
Okay, we're going to help you sit up, and we're going to put you in the car. Yeah, we're going to put them right on you as soon as we get you in the car. Do not drag your feet. Walk to the car. Turn around. Down.
No, they're in my hair. Ooh, my bad. You gotta go up. No.
There you go. Sit up straight. Watch yourself.
Thanks, Hannah.
Good job, buddy.
Guys, appreciate you.
I'll ride with you.
Okay.
I see you. Stop resisting.
No one's resisting.
The woman was charged with elder abuse, assaulting a first responder, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and vandalism.